Preeti again. Welcome to Spoonful Easy Cooking. Today is something special from the land of coconut. What is it? Can you guess? It's coconut barfi. Very easy recipe which everybody can try because Kerala is known for coconuts and I'm sure in other parts of the country also you get coconut. So let me show you with fresh coconut today how to make easy coconut barfi at home. So for that we have taken here fresh coconut which is all the brown part is removed and just chopped and kept. Now we will grind it in the mixer. And here is 200 ml of milk or 1 cup of milk. Exact 200 grams of sugar we have taken. This is 3 to 4 grams of or 3 to 4 tablespoon of milk powder. This is cardamom powder 1 to 2 teaspoon, and as you all know, for all my sweet dishes here goes 1 or 2 pinches of salt, and this is ghee, 1 teaspoon of ghee. So what I will be doing, coconut also what we need is 2 cups. So first we will grate this and show you. You can also just grate it, but here this is the easy option I will be showing. Let's just grind it. In intervals we'll grind so that it doesn't become a paste or a milk. No, so. Let's check the status. Yeah. We need little more fine ones, not this way. So let us do it a few more times. That would be enough. Let's check the status. Looks good. If you want, you can just grate it also. You will get good desiccated ones. See, this is the way when we blend it. Now what we do, we lit the gas. We have taken one kadai. Let's lit the gas and keep it on sim. We shall measure the coconut so that the measurements doesn't go here and there. Here I am taking these desiccated coconut. 2 cups. Here we go. We'll just add this to the kadai. This is our second cup here. Let's add on. Yes. 2 is left. So my measurement is not that bad. But we shall not add this because we shall stick to the measurement, that is 2 cups. Okay. Now we will just add this to this kadai and allow it to be on kadai for at least 3 to 4 minutes so that the moisture content of the coconut just leaves. We will not allow it to fry or something, but just the moisture content needs to leave. So let's just keep this. So I am continuously stirring this for almost 1 to 2 minutes now. We should not allow the coconut's color to change. It should not turn brown in color. When this sticks to this, you shall just again keep stirring this way. How many of you are very bored to grate the coconut? That's the reason I showed you this simple method how to get this desiccated one grated coconuts. I am one among who is very lazy to grate the coconuts. So this is the easy step I found to make the barfi. Yeah. So this almost the moisture it is left. So at this stage what shall we add is the milk. Okay. We have kept here 200 ml of milk which is room temperature. It should not be hot nor cold. So this is room temperature milk. Now, yes. Here we just stir it for at least 3 to 4 minutes because let this coconut blend in the milk, and occasionally keep stirring so that it doesn't stick to the bottom nor the color should change. So just keep stirring for 3 to 4 minutes. This is almost after 3 minutes. The milk is well blended with the coconut and it started boiling. Now we shall add the sugar to it. This is 1 cup of sugar, equal quantity of sugar and milk. So we shall add this until the sugar completely dissolves in it and it leaves a kind of water content. Till that time, occasionally stir like this. It will take around 3 minutes to dissolve completely and leave water. Here the sugar is dissolved. In 2 minutes it got dissolved. I was stirring it continuously. Now we need to continue stirring it until we get a little more thicker consistency. This is right now liquidish. So we need to stir it until it forms little lumpy. At this stage we can add a pinch of salt. This is totally optional. This is my way to make sweet dishes. It enhances the flavor a lot. So this is in low to medium flame I am cooking. Don't keep your flame on high. The flavor of the coconut burfi will not be great if it is on high flame. The moisture content needs to be there, but we have to keep it on low to medium flame and stir continuously until we get a kind of lumpy texture. This stage is almost after 3 to 4 minutes. It has started leaving the edges. You can see this. This is the stage when the edges starts bubbling. You have to stir in once again and add the milk powder. This is not very nice ingredient to this burfi. It gives really richness to the burfi. So do not omit this. You should have milk powder. You should add milk powder so that our burfi gets a very creamy and amazing flavor. So just 3 to 4 tablespoons of milk powder is required. Do not forget to check my description box. In all my recipes, the ingredients is mentioned along with the quantity so that you don't miss out any of the items when I speak. Here now we shall stir in until it becomes really lumpy and it leaves the sides, completely, and it becomes a kind of lump. Till that time we stir in. I'll show you the stage. Let's just keep stirring it for 3 to 4 minutes more. Here it's leaving the sides. Yes, see this consistency? It's leaving the sides. Now we add cardamom powder to it. Here, let's add on the cardamom powder. This is the flavor to add on the good flavor to the burfi. Whose all mouth is watering?
Mine.
My coconut lover babies is watering. So friends, do try it at home and do let me know how you find this burfi recipe. It's very easy. It's it's approximately around 15 minutes I'm stirring this. It's not even continuously I'm stirring, just occasionally. So after adding the cardamom powder, let this be here. Let's add 1 teaspoon of ghee. This is my homemade ghee. Here we go, 1 teaspoon of ghee. Just 1 teaspoon of ghee is required. That's it. And just give a stir so that the ghee flavor also goes into it. It has to be on low flame. Low to medium is fine at the time of cooking. Now after adding ghee, keep it on low flame itself. By the time this cooks for some more time, we shall grease our plate. I had only this plate right now available in this kitchen. So if you have triangular shape or anything with this kind of rim, edges, or rectangle ones, or not triangle, rectangle trays, you can just grease it this way and keep it ready. If you have butter paper, you can lay a butter paper as well. I don't have that also, so I'm just keeping this way. That's it. Now this is the stage we have to off the gas. Let's keep the flame. Let's off the flame and add this mixture to our greased plate. Here I will show you. There we go. Shall add all these things. If you have a spatula, please spread it evenly with the spatula. This way, completely make it even. Spread it. Very nice.
Mama, this looks very yummy.
Yes. We have to set it, baby. So need to have little patience, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. We can just tap it this way so that it settles down. And if you have a spatula, definitely you can evenly spread it. And leave this in room temperature for at least 1 to 2 hours until it sets completely. Then I shall show you how it. Just room temperature is fine. No need to refrigerate. Just keep it this way itself for 1 or 2 hours. So it's almost 2 hours now. I want to show you. This is almost set. See, you can see it is set. So let's cut it. I'll just show you. Cut it and show you. You can keep as much as time you want, but at room temperature only, okay? So this we are just cutting it. Very moist and very creamy barfi we have got. We can always decorate it and garnish it with badam or pistachio, whatever you have at home.
Mama, this looks so yummy.
Yes, Marvi, just wanted to show the viewers. Yeah, you can just keep it this way, whichever way you like it. I'll just take it out and show you one by ours, because this has to set well. See, I managed to keep 3 burfis. So this is a coconut burfi. You can make it at home, and I'm sure it will taste good. Let me just taste it and see. It's yummy and creamish. Do try it and do let me know how it is turned at your home. And do not forget to hit the like button, share it to your loved ones, and if you are not subscribed, do subscribe it. See you then. Bye-bye.